Do you like being in the loop? Whether you're visiting Central Library, whizzing around the Outer Ring Road, or opening your umbrella, again. We're used to circles here in Greater Manchester, but did you know you're in another loop? Every time you recycle a can or a cardboard box, we don't need to make a new one. That aluminium can in your recycling bin gets turned back into a new can in just 6 weeks, so it's back on the shelf and part of the loop. And it's not just about recycling. In fact, it's even better to reduce the amount of stuff you buy and reuse and repair things before you recycle them. If you donate things to charity, buy second-hand, or try to fix something before throwing it away, you're in the loop. Next time you go to chuck something in the bin, think about the materials and effort that went into making it and getting it to you. Is there a better place for it than the bin? And is it going in the right bin? Stay circular and stay in the loop.